So I've been testing the Fitbit Charge 6 over the last couple of weeks, and I wanted to show you how to sync your Fitbit wearables and the Fitbit app with Strava. Now the first step here is to open the Strava app on your phone and then select the U tab in the bottom right corner of the app. Then select the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll up and then select connect an app or device. You'll then see the list of brands that you can connect to Strava. Select Fitbit and then hit connect Fitbit. You'll see a browser open up asking you to log into Fitbit now. Now there's two options to log in. The first is if you've created a separate Fitbit account in the past before Google acquired Fitbit. And the second is to log in with your Google account if that's what you use to create your Fitbit account. Now once you've logged in, you'll then be asked for more permissions to share activities and courses between the two services. Select authorize and then you'll be asked what data you want to share between Fitbit and Strava. And I'll select allow all, but you can choose whichever option you want and then select allow. You'll then see this message that shows you how the syncing works. Select OK and then exit the browser that had opened up. You'll then see the screen in the Strava app that says your Fitbit and Strava accounts are connected. Now to remove the link between Fitbit and Strava for whatever reason, go back into the Strava app and select the U tab in the bottom right corner of the app, then settings and scroll up and then pick manage apps and devices. From here, uncheck the Fitbit app and you'll then be asked if you'd like to disconnect Fitbit. Select disconnect and that should now stop syncing your Fitbit activities with Strava. And that's how you sync Fitbit wearables and the Fitbit app with Strava. Now, if you enjoyed that video, don't be shy from subscribing to the channel for more helpful videos and tutorials just like this. And if you're looking for a premium fitness tracker that has quite a lot of smart capabilities built into it and has a superior heart rate tracking accuracy, make sure you check this video out. See you in the next one.